In this lab, we're going to download Julia and Atom. Let's start by opening a new browser window and typing download Julia. Now the first result is from the official Julia language website. We move on to this table, and now we have to choose the appropriate version of Julia for our machine. Now I'm currently at a Windows machine with a 64-bit architecture, so this is the link that I want. Now I've already downloaded Julia, so I'm going to cancel this download. And we can move on to download Atom as well. Now the first result is the official Atom website as well. Now Atom can automatically detect the appropriate version for our machine, so we just have to click the download button here. Now I'm going to cancel this download as well and move on to these two executables. Now let's start by installing Julia. Um, when we click on the executable that we downloaded, this window opens. We click next, and in this window you have to make sure to add Julia to path, otherwise you're going to have problems with Atom. Now next, Julia is currently installing. Now when the installation is complete, we're going to be able to actually program in Julia. Now this is how the Julia command window looks like, and you can use just this one to program, but it's always useful to have an IDE like Atom. Now Atom is a text editor. You can just click on this button and install Atom as well, but I've already done so in this machine, so here is how Atom looks, what Atom's looks like. So let's just open Atom and take a look. Now here is how Atom is going to look when you finish installing the appropriate plugins. First of all, we would like to open the settings tab. Now we can either do this from here, file and settings, or you could just type control plus comma. Now in the settings pane, you in the settings panel, you want to go to packages and type Uber Juno with this score in between. Now you want to download Juno. Juno is the official installer of the Julia IDE, which will make Atom able for us to program in Julia. Now I've already installed this plugin here, so you just click on the install button and Atom will begin downloading Juno, and after this installation is complete, Juno will actually download some other plugins so that you can have this console here, this REPL, where you can start Julia. So every time you want to program in Julia, you just have to press enter here, and Julia will actually start. Now a common problem that you will find is exactly this one here. So in case you stumble upon this problem, Atom cannot find Julia in the path. So what can we do? You go to file settings and find the Julia client plugin. Now in these settings you have here the default Julia path, but what you want to do now is to go and try to install Julia once again and find this location right here. This is where Julia is actually installed in your computer. So you want to copy this address here and type it here on your Julia path settings, and backwards class bin backwards julia.exe. Now if you actually do this, you see that you now are able to start downloading the appropriate files for Julia. And after this download is finished, you're going to be able to work with Julia and Atom. Now this will take a moment, but do not worry about it. It's just going to download some necessary packages.